Good morning, sixth graders. So we are going to, for now, continue on our pace of just doing two problems. So today we're going to do 7-114 and 7-115. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's look at 7-114A. We've got Ellie, she's building a dollhouse. She has boards of two different lengths. We know the long one is 17 inches longer than the short board. So we're just drawing a picture for A. So we've got our short board and we've got our long board. We know that the long board is 50 inches. We also know that it is 17 inches longer. We do not know the length of the short board yet. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to end up doing this in the next problem, but I'm going to go ahead and define my variable for A. I'm going to say that the short board is going to be S. So there is A. B asks us to do a little bit more. We're going to write an equation showing how they're related. So I'm going to redraw them. Here's my short board. Here's my long one. I know this is 50 inches. I know this is 17 inches longer. And this is my short board, right? So equation tells me I need to have an equal sign. So there's actually two ways you can do this, but what I'm going to say is this. You can either say that the 50 inches, which is the long board, equals the short board plus 17. All right, you can see that there. 50 would be the short board plus that 17. Or what you can do is say that the short board equals 50 minus the 17. So that's just working the other way. If you wanted the short board, right, you could take this long board and subtract out the 17. So either way, this would work as your answer. It also wants you to define your variables. You need to say, so that people know what S is, you need to say let S be length of short. Let S be the length of the short board. For C, we're going and testing a couple of different solutions between 30 and 40. So your answers may be different from mine, but I'm going to go back and look at the equation I came up with here, right? So it doesn't matter which one you use. I'm going to use the bottom one. So S short board equals 50 minus 17. So she estimates her answers between 30 and 40. So I'm just going to choose a couple values. I'm going to choose 35. So if I just plug in 35 where that S was, 35 equals 50 minus 17. And we know that's not true. 50 minus 17 actually equals 33. So this is proving that 35 would not be a solution that works. And then let's choose another one. I'll choose 31 to plug in for S equals 50 minus 17. And that doesn't, because 50 minus 17 equals 33. And then if we go to the next one, it kind of plays off of this last one. D asks if there's more than, what's the length? So if I plug this in and I say short board equals 50 minus 17, we just did this, but 50 minus 17, of course, equals 33, right? And no, this is the only answer that works because of this right here, this equal sign. There's only one thing that can work. 50 minus 17 is only 33. And if I'm being accurate, I'm going to say 33